Hi YouTube, it's UP here. Today I'm gonna do another installation. This is a rear axle guard or shield from Fury 4x4, also known as Maker Off-Road. I'm sort of digging their stuff. Seems like they have good quality. Design is kind of unique, as you can see. Unlike any other things on the market, as their axle guard looks pretty fancy. It's all aluminum, got some weight, but it's not really that significant. Yeah, it's gonna be fairly easy. This is the whole thing. So 3 U-bolts, 3 I don't know, adapter or whatever, the spacer, and some 60mm nut. So basically I believe the bigger U-bolt goes right here and other 2 goes right here. Should be fairly easy installation. Let's get done. Just finished the installation of this rear axle guard shield from Fury 4x4. Looks nice. Actually, that's not really scratches. That's just anti-seize. I put a shit ton of anti-seize on the bolts. So basically, step by step, the installation procedure is not complicated at all. Just 3 U-bolts. 1 here, 1 there, 1 on the other side. However, first, one thing I really want to brag about it. Fury 4x4, you guys make such a unique product with good quality. However, every time I got part from y'all, there's no installation instructions. Same on this one. So I have to figure it out myself how to put this one on. So for instance, I thought that one initially go on the other side, you know, blah blah, there's a couple gap in between. I have to figure it out myself. You know, it will be wonderful for you guys to include the installation instruction inside of your pocket. Doesn't matter what products. You guys make a phenomenal product. This is just one downfall. You know, you guys need it. You know, leadership in the company. You need to seriously think about this. It's easy. You know, it's not really that complicated. And especially here in America, we just do things in our own garage. We just put out our ourselves. Put super on my Jeep most of the time. I need a clear step-by-step instruction, or sometimes, you know, like I record this YouTube video, so later on people you know, they buy the same parts from y'all, they looking for instruction video. There you go, this is my instruction video, but for me, I have to figure it out myself. Anyway, so it's not complicated at all. Just need to be patient, because like the bolt right here is very hard to reach, especially with those washers, all that good stuff. And also there's no torque spec. I'm just I didn't tighten it down at like that tight at all. I just probably put out like a, you know, I didn't even use my torque wrench. Just hand tie pretty much, because I don't want to damage my axle. If that's something you can include in your installation instruction, Fury 4x4, that will be very, very helpful for the Jeep owners. Anyway, this looks nice. I'm looking forward to take my Jeep down to the dirt and get this thing tested, and see how this thing handles those tough terrains like rocks, you know, all this you know, worst situation. See if we can get it hold up pretty. See how this thing hold up. All right, guys. Once again, I don't know what's this video gonna looks like on the YouTube, because I'm on the Quipper and I use my Jeep right now. I have to filming this way. So if y'all have any questions, just let me know. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Once again, I really appreciate it. I will do more video when I can, and enjoy your day. Thanks.